Hi, hello, namaste. This is Narendra Valmiki from Sai Meda Asset Coaching Center, Koti. Okay, dear policy students. So far, our faculties has finished section A key, section B key. So now we are going to start the section C set. Okay. So everyone get ready with your booklet. So I am going to start now. So let us go with the first question. Set as a element 0 which has dash elements. So what could be the right answer? So take the 2 is the right answer. Okay, get ready with your key everyone. Once again, first one, set as a element 0 which has dash elements. The right answer is 2. So let's go to the second question. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then the value of cos A plus B by 2 is answer. What is the right answer? So second answer is 3 sin of C by 2. Okay. Now let's go to the third question. So students, get ready with the set key. So almost we have started now. So third question. From a helicopter, a person observes an object on the ground at an angle of depression 30 degrees. If the helicopter is flying at a height of 400 meters from the ground, then the distance between the person and the object is. What could be your answer? So our answer is third one, 2000 meters is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the fourth question. Which of the following rational number have terminating decimal? What is the right answer, students? So right answer is 1, 7 by 250. Okay. Once again, Polyset students, get ready with the section C set. So we have started almost. So now the fifth question. Exponential form of log B of A is, A is equal to C. So what is the right answer? Fifth one, right answer is 4. Fourth one is the right answer. Now go to sixth question. Which of the following two sets are equal sets? So sixth, what is the right answer? So right answer is 3. Third is the right answer. Now go to seventh question. A boy observed the top of an electric pole at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees when the observation point is 6 meters away from the foot of the pole. Then the height of the pole is. What is the right answer, students? The right answer is seventh one. Right answer is 3. 6 of root 3 meters. Okay. So just follow the schema, everyone. So now let's go to the eighth question. So what is the question? The value of cos 54 degree cos 36 degree of sine of 54 degree sine 36 degrees. What is the right answer? So eighth question. What is the right answer? Any guess? So our answer is 1 is the right answer. So let's go to the ninth question. So what is the right HCF of 2023, 2024, 2025 is? So what is the right answer, student? Ninth answer is 4. Fourth is the right answer. 1 is the right answer. So fourth option is the right answer. Let's go to the 10th one. The product of prime factors of 2024 is. So the product of prime factors of 2024 is. The right answer is 2. 2 is the right answer. Now let's go to the 11th question. So what is the question? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Then the value of cosec theta is. So 11th question answer is, first one is the right answer. So I think everyone are following. So I hope everyone are following, students. So let's go to the 12th question. So what is the 12th question? Just you can read it. You can observe in the booklet. 12th question. What could be the right answer? So 12th question, right answer is 2. So answer is 1. So option is 2. Okay, is it clear? Now go to 13th one. So read out rainfall of a town in a week is 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Then the average rainfall per day is the 13th one. What is the right answer, students? So here something missing. 13th question. Okay, 13th answer is 6 centimeter, means third option is the right answer. So I hope everyone are following. So let's go to the 14th question once again. 14th question, next question. Which of the following is not a formula for arithmetic mean? So what is the right answer for 14th question? So D, I mean fourth one is the right answer. 14th question, answer is fourth option. Okay. Now go to 15th one. In a GP, the third term is 24 and 6th is 195, then the 10th term is. So what is the right answer, friends? So 2 is the right answer. 3072. Now let's go to the 16th question. 16th question. The common ratio of GP is 25 minus 5, 1 minus 1 by 5 dash is. What is the right answer, 16th one? So first one, minus 1 by 5 is the right answer. Okay, now 17th. Let's go to the 17th question. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. The probability of getting the queen of diamond is. So 17th question answer, what could be your imagination? So answer, first actual answer is 1, first one, 1 by 52. Now let's go to the 18th question. So you can read out we can go directly with the answer. So 18th question answer is fourth one, 1 by 18. Okay, you just follow your booklet, my everyone. So read out the question. The right answer is fourth one, 1 by 18. So 19th one. What is the 19th one? Area of the triangle formed by the points minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 and 5, 2 is. What is the right answer? 19th one. So first one, 32 is the right answer. So let's go to the next 20th question. So you just we can go directly with the answer. 20th question. What is the right answer? Right answer is irrational number. Second one, second option is the right answer. Okay, let's go to 21st question. Mode of the data 9, 10, 19, 7, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14, 10, 7, 6 is. So what could be the right answer? So 21st answer, right answer is 2. So 7 is the right answer, option is second one. Okay student, just follow the key neatly. Okay, just you need to observe clearly. Now 22nd question. In a grouped frequency distribution, the formula to find median is. Okay, 22nd answer, third one in sense, this is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Okay, now let's go to the 23rd question. 23rd question is the median of 75, 21, 56, 36, 81, 05 and 42 is. So right answer is second one is a 42. 42 is the right answer. Now 24th question, you just read out, just go through the booklet, ma everyone. 24th answer is second one. So second one in the sense 2.1 centimeters. Okay, just please follow clearly. Now 25th question. The distance between the points x1, y1 and y2, x2, y2 is. So 25th question, right answer is first one. This is the right answer. First option is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the 26th one. The coordinators of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally is. So what is the right answer? The right answer is 2, 7 and 3. So second option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 27th question. The centroid of the triangle with vertices 1, -1, 0, 6 and minus 3 0 is 27th question. Answer is 3. Third option. So third option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 28th question. Which term of the AP 2018-16 dash is minus 80 question mark. So 28th answer is 2. 51 is the right answer. Now let's go to the 29th question. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? The right answer is third option, 30. 30 is the right answer. Please students, please follow the key neatly. Okay, you need to observe clearly. Now the 30th question. So you can, let's go to the answer directly. 30th question, right answer is third one. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 9. Third option is the right answer. 30th question. Students, please follow this. 30th question, right answer is 3. Now 31. The pair of equations x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to k has infinitely many solutions if k is equal to. So 31st ఏంటంటే x plus y is equal to 5 మరియు 2x plus 2y is equal to k అను సమీకరణాల జత అనంతమైన సాధనాలను కలిగి ఉండాలి అని నా k is equal to. So 31st right answer is 4. 10 is the right answer. 10. So fourth option, నాలుగో option right answer. Now let's go to the 32. 32. So let's if p of x is equal to 11x to the power of 8 minus 5x to the power of 6 plus 4x to the power of 4 minus 7x square plus 6, then the degree of p of x is. So 32nd right answer is 8. First one. So first option is the right answer, 32nd. So now let's go to the 33rd. So 33rd. So let's go to the directly with the answer. 33rd right answer is first one, have a unique solution. So 33rd right answer is first one, have a unique solution. Okay, very good. So I hope everyone are following the key. So now let's go to the 34th question. So the value of p for which the pair of equations 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and 9x plus by plus z is equal to 0 represents parallel lines is. So what is the right answer, students? So 34th right answer is fourth option. So 12 is the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 35th. So if alpha beta are the zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to 3x square plus 3x square minus x minus 4, then alpha beta is equal to. So 35th question answer is first one. First option is the right answer, minus 4 by 3. Now let's go to the 36th question. So let us read with the Telugu. కిరణ్ 5 నారింజలు 7 యాపిల్స్ మరియు హరీష్ 2 నారింజలు 12 యాపిల్స్ విడివిడిగా ఒకే మొత్తానికి కొన్నారు. కింది సమీకరణాలలో ఈ విషయాన్ని సూచించే సమీకరణం ఏది? సో 36వ క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ సరైన సమాధానం ఏమిటంటే సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. So second one is the right answer, 5x plus 7y is equal to 2x plus 12y. So second is the right answer. Now let's go to the 36th అయిపోయింది. Now let's go to the 37th. So 37th, if minus 1 minus 2 are two zeros of a polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2, then the value of a and b are. 37th right answer is 3. Third option is the right answer, 5 and 1. Now let's go to 38th. So 38th answer, directly we can go to the the answer. Right answer is 38th one is first one. First option is the right answer, 264 centimeter cube. So 38th one is the first one. First option is the right answer. Now 39th. A chord of a circle of radius 4 centimeters making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Then the length of the chord is. What is the right answer, students? 39th. What is the right answer? Right answer is fourth option, means 4 centimeter is the right answer. Now 48th question. The sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 is. So 40th question. What is the right answer of 40th question? So first option 5 by 3 is the right answer. Now let's go to the 41. The discriminant of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 is. So first 41 question, right answer is third option, 0 is the right answer, means third option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 42nd. So what is the right answer of 47 question? Just you can look at the board. So second option is the right answer, 30.8 centimeter square. So 42nd question ki answer second option is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the 43rd, 43. The roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 are. 43rd question, students. So 43rd question right answer is 2. Second option is the right answer, 2 comma 2. Okay. Now 44th. So just we can go directly the answer. So 44th question, the right answer is third option is the right answer. So 20 meters, 15 meters. So students, please follow the key. Now 45. If a right circular cylinder has base radius 40 centimeters and height 21 centimeters, then its curved surface area is dash. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 45th question. So what is the right answer? What is your answer? I don't know, but right answer is fourth one, 1848 centimeter square. Okay. Now let's go to the 46th question. If two cubes each of values 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together, then the surface area of the resulting cuboid is. So 46th question key right answer. What is the right answer? Second option is the right answer, 160 centimeter square. Okay, now let's go to the 47th. So 47th question. So right answer is second one. Second option means first one is the right answer. It means second option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 48th question. If a cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radius and are of equal height, then that their values are in the ratio of. 48th question, right answer is third option. Third option 3:1. So 48 finished. So now let's go to the 49th question. So students, let us go direct answer for the 49th question. So right answer is 4. So fourth option 4 is the right answer. So fourth option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 50th question. So if the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 2:3, then the ratio of areas of these triangles is. So 50th question, right answer for 50th question is third option, 4:9 is the right answer. Okay students, please follow the key everyone. Section C, students must and should concentrate here. So now let's go to the 51. So a tangent to a circle touches it in dash points. So what is the right answer? So the right answer is 1. So first option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 52nd. So 52nd, the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeters away from the center of a circle of radius 9 centimeter is. So what is the right answer? 52nd question, right answer is 4. 12 centimeter is the right answer. Now let's go to the 53. So 53, what is the right answer? Right answer for 53 question. So right answer is 3. Third option means 8 centimeter is the right answer, means third option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 54th. What is the fifth? Two boys on the either side of a temple of 45 meters height. Observe its top at the angle of elevation 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between two boys. So 45 మీటర్ల ఎత్తుగల ఒక గుడిపై భాగాన్ని దాన్ని ఇరువైపులా ఉన్న ఇద్దరు బాలురు 30 డిగ్రీలు మరియు 60 డిగ్రీలు ఊర్ధ్వ కోణాలతో పరిశీలించారు. ఆ ఇద్దరు బాలుర మధ్య దూరం ఎంత? ఓకే, right answer 54th right answer is, so first option is the right answer. So 54th finish. Now let's go to 55. So 55 answer, two dice are thrown at the same time. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 13? So what is the right answer? 55 right answer is 0 is the right answer, means fourth option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 56th question. So let us go directly with the answer. 56th question answer ఏంటంటే, so first option is the right, CP is equal to AB. Okay students, please follow the key section C. So now we are dealing with the section C, set C. So please follow set C students. Now let's go to the 57th question. What is the 57th question? Okay, let us go directly with the answer. So 57th question answer is fourth option, 4.5 centimeter. So fourth option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 58th question. So we can go directly with the answer. Okay, 58th question answer is 2. Second option is the right answer. 70 degrees is the right answer. 70 degrees is the right answer. 58th one. Now let's go next question. Okay, 59th question answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Third option is 160 centimeters. So 160 centimeters is the right answer. Third option is the right answer for 59th question. Now let's go the last question in the mathematics. Okay, max law, this is the last question. So there are exactly dashed tangents to a circle through a point outside the circle. So 60th question, the answer is 2 is the first option is the right answer. Okay friends, so far we have finished with the mathematics. 60 questions successfully we have finished. I hope everyone would get the good marks in the mathematics. Okay, now let's go to the physics section B. So 61st question belongs from 61. So section B is the physics questions. So let's go to the 61st question. The defect in eye vision that people cannot see objects at a long distance is. So what is the defect? What is the name of the defect? So 61st question, myopia. Third option is the right answer. Now 62, let's go to the 62. The formula for specific resistance is. So what is the formula for specific resistance? So what is the right answer? So right answer is first option is the right answer. Okay, you can check it out once again. Students, those who are following sections set C key booklet, just follow this schema. Now let's go to the 63. Calculate the resultant resistance in the following circuit. What is the right answer for 63rd question? So 63rd question right answer is second option, means 10 ohms. 2 is the right answer for 63 question. Now let's go to the 64th question. The process of an eye lens to adjust its focal length to form a sharp image on retina is called. What is the meaning of that? What it is called? 64th question. What is the right answer? Accommodation. Second option is the right answer. Sardubatu. Telugulo Sardubatu is the right answer for 64th question. Telugu medium students, please follow this even. Now 65 question. So 65 question. The current in a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between its end at constant temperature. This is known as, what is the meaning of that? So 65th question, what is the right answer? So this is nothing but Ohm's law. Third option. So 65th question, third option is the right answer. Ohm's law is the right answer. Third option. Now 66. Kirchhoff's junction law is based on the conservation of, 66th question. So what is the right answer? C is the right answer. Charge in English. So aveshamu in Telugu. Now 67. The SI unit of electrical resistance is, what is the SI unit of electrical resistance? What is the answer? So answer is ohm. Fourth option is the right answer. Telugulo kuda ohm antaru. Okay. 67 finished. Now let's go to the 68th question. The appearance of red color of the sun during sunrise and sunset is due to dash. Why it is appearing red color during sunset and sunrise? So what is the right answer? The right answer is scattering of light. So second option is the right answer. Because of scattering of light, the sun looks red color during sunrise and sunset. Okay, very nice. So let's go to the 69th question. The midpoint of a thin lens is called, what is the right answer, students? So right answer is, I know everyone will do the good here. So optic center is the right answer. So first option is the right answer. Now 70th question. So somewhat question is lengthy, so let us go directly with the answer. So 70th question, what is the right answer, students? So first one is the first option. First one is the right answer. When the object is between focal point and optic center. So I think everyone are following the booklet. Set C. So 70th question, first option is the right answer. Now let's go to the second, 71. A light ray passing along principal axis of a lens is. So 71, the right answer is undeviated. So fourth option is the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer for 71 question. So now let's go to the 72. Concave mirrors can produce. What can be produced by concave mirrors? So what is the right answer for 72 question? So both real and virtual. So both real and virtual means third option. Third option is the right answer. Telugulo nija mariyu mithya pratibimbamu antaru. Telugulo. Okay, now let's go to the 73 question. The focal length of double convex lens having refractive index 1.5 kept in air with the two spherical surfaces of radius R1 is equal to 20 cm, R2 is equal to 80 cm is. So 73rd, the right answer is third option, minus 32 centimeters. Okay. Now let's go to the 74th question. Convex mirror is used as. What is the right answer, students? Now 74th question, right answer is, third option is the right answer. Rear view mirror in automobiles. So third option is the right answer for 74th question. Now let's go to the 75th question. So we can go directly with the answer. 75th question, right answer is converging lens. So second option is the right answer for 75th question. Now let's go to the 76th question. So the focal length of a concave mirror is 20 centimeters. At what distance the object is placed to obtain the virtual image? So 76th question, right answer. What is the right answer, students? So first option is the right answer, less than 20 centimeters. So first option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 77th question. The mirror which always gives diminished images. So 77th question ki right answer. What is the right answer? Convex mirror. Convex mirror means second option is the right answer for 77th question. Okay, students, I hope everyone are following set C key. Okay, yeah, set C. Okay, now let's go to the 78th question. Instrument to measure potential difference is, what is that instrument to measure potential difference? What is the right answer, students? 78th question. Key right answer. Voltmeter is the right answer. Means second option is the right answer. Now 79th question. So what is the right answer for 79? What is the question? The magnetic flux passing through unit area taken perpendicular to the uniform magnetic field is called. So what is the right answer, students? The right answer, first one is the right answer, magnetic flux density. Answer is magnetic flux density. Option is first one. First option is the right answer for 79th question. Let's go to the 80th question. Okay, 80th question. The formula for refractive index of a prism is. So right answer for 80th question. What is the right answer? Third option is the right answer. So it is so lengthy to read. So third option is the right answer for 80th question. Now let's go to the 81. The tangent drawn to the magnetic field line at a point gives. A tangent drawn to the magnetic field line at a point means, what is the right answer? What is the right answer for 81st question? So the right answer is magnetic flux. So first option is the right answer. Okay students, please follow the key. Now, the focal length of a lens having power 4D is 82. What is the right answer for 82 question? So the right answer is fourth option, means 25 centimeters is the right answer. It is in the fourth option. So 82. So almost 82 finished. Now let's go to the 83. So you can read it out. And we can go directly with the answer. 83, the right answer is 1.2. This is. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. Second option is the right answer for 83 question. So now let's go to the 84th question. The least distance of a distinct vision of a healthy person is dash. 84th question, right answer is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters means second option. Second option is the right answer, students. 84th question. Now let's go to the 85th question. Okay, just you can follow in the booklet. So 85th question, what is the right answer? Let us go with the answer, direct answer. So answer is fourth option is the right answer. AC changes both its magnitude and direction. So fourth option is the right answer for 85th question. So నాలుగోది ఏసీ తన దిశ మరియు పరిమాణాలను రెండింటిని మార్చుకుంటుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్, ఫోర్త్ వన్, తెలుగు మీడియం. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ గో టు ది 86th క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ మోటార్స్, 86th క్వశ్చన్, ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ మోటార్స్, విద్యుత్ మోటార్లలో. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. విద్యుత్ శక్తి యాంత్రిక శక్తిగా మారుతుంది తెలుగులో. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. Now 87th question. So let us go directly with the answer. 87th question. So what is the right answer for 87th question? So first option is the right answer for 87th question. Okay, you can follow the booklet, students. Set C. Right now we are doing. So we are doing set C key. You need to follow that. So 88th question. The direction of the magnetic field lines outside the current carrying solenoid is from. So what is the right answer for 88th question? So right answer is, second option is the right answer. North to south. ఉత్తరం నుండి దక్షిణం తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు. సో 88th question finished. Now let's go to the 89th question. Okay, which law states the induced current set up in the coil is in such a direction that it opposes the changes in the flux? So 89th question. So what is the right answer? Right answer is Lenz law. Lenz నియమము తెలుగులో. So 89th question, the right answer is Lenz law. Option is second one. So let's go to the 90th question. Induction stove works on the principle of, so on which principle the induction stove works? So induction stove works on the principle of, what is the right answer? 90th question. What is the right answer? Right answer is electromagnetic induction. Third option is the right answer. విద్యుత్ అయస్కాంత ప్రేరణ తెలుగులో. సో 90th question answer is third option, విద్యుత్ అయస్కాంత ప్రేరణ, electromagnetic induction. Okay. Now let's start the chemistry subject. Section C. Let's go to the section C. So successfully we have finished A section mathematics, B section physics. Now let's go to the section C, chemistry. రసాయన శాస్త్రం తెలుగులో. Okay. Now so far everyone would get the good marks, I think so. అందరికి మంచి మార్క్స్ వచ్చి ఉంటాయి. So I hope. So 91, question number 91. Question number 91. Let us go directly with the answer. So 91 question answer ఏంటంటే second option means 112. 112 is the right answer. Means second option is the right answer for 91 question. Now let's go to the 92. Oxygen gains dash electrons during the chemical changes. What kind of electron? How many electrons gains during the chemical changes? Oxygen. So 92 question. Right answer is 2. Answer is 2. Option also 2. So second option is the right answer for 92 question. So now let's go to the 93. Okay students, now we are following chemistry subject. So everyone just get ready and just be careful in making take to the right answer. Okay. Now 93 question. Number of unpaired electrons present in carbon atom. కార్బన్ పరిమాణువులో ఉన్న ఒంటరి ఎలక్ట్రానుల సంఖ్య. 93 question ki right answer is 2 is the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the 94th question. Quantum mechanical model of atom was developed by. 94th question. క్వాంటం యాంత్రిక పరిమాణు నమూనాను ప్రతిపాదించిన వారు. So who was developed by, who was developed that quantum mechanical model of an atom? So 94th question answer is fourth option is Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Schrödinger is the right answer. 94th is the third option is the right answer for 94th question. Students, now let's go to the 95. What is the symbol used in a chemical equation to represent the gas evolved in a reaction? రసాయన చర్యలో విడుదలకు వాయువునకు రసాయన సమీకరణంలో సూచించు చిహ్నము. సో 95th question ki right answer is 3. Third option is the right answer. Mark. Okay. Now 96th question. Maximum number of electrons in a subshell is equal to. 96th question. The right answer is third option is the right answer. 2 of 12 plus 1 is the right answer. So 96th question students, please follow the key. Set C is, right now we are in the set C, that to section C chemistry. Okay. Everyone, I hope everyone are doing well and everyone are getting good marks, I think so. So be confident. Now 96 finished. Now let's go to the 97th question. So 97th question. Answer. Let's go with the direct answer. Okay, 97th question. What is the right answer? 2 is the right answer. 2 esters. So second option is the right answer. Second option is the right answer for 97th question. Now let's go to the 98th question. Which of the following is an unsaturated compound? కింది వాటిలో అసంతృప్తి సమ్మేళనం ఏది? So 98th question, what is the right answer? Third option is the right answer. Please follow the key. Dear students, so 98th question, right answer is third option. So now let's go to the 99th question. Hydrocarbons containing only single bonds between carbon atoms are called. What is that? What's the meaning of that? 99th question ki answer enti? So 99th question answer is alkenes. Alkenes. Alkenes is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. 99th question. Now let's go to the century. So this is a centuryth question. So ton, 100th question. So 100th question is what is the, see you can go through the question in the booklet. Now let's go directly with the answer. So 100th question ki answer entante fermentation, third option is the right answer. Fermentation. Kinma prakriya. Okay, in Telugu. Okay, right. 100 finish. So 100 question, right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Now let's go to the 101. So 101, which one of the following is a ketone? Kindi vaatilo ketone edi. So 101. So right answer is first option is the right answer. You can go through the booklet. So first option is the right answer for 101 question. Now 102, let's go to the 102. So we can go directly with the answer. Okay, 102, the right answer is fourth option is the right answer. 3 sigma 2 pi. So students, please try to follow the key neatly and clearly, not to get any confusion here. So 102 question answer is fourth option. So now let's go to the 103. Ionic bond is formed due to transfer of electrons from. So the question is, ionic bond is formed due to transfer of electrons from. So 103 answer, first option is the right answer. Metal atom to non-metal atom. So ionic bond is formed due to transfer of electrons from metal atom to non-metal atom. So first option is the right answer for 103 question. Okay, now let's go to the 104. Polar covalent bond present in. Polar covalent bond present in 104th question. What is the right answer? Fourth option is the right answer. HCl is the right answer. SC1 or HCl, yes, HCl is the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer for 104th question. Now let's go to the 105. What is the question? The color of methyl orange indicator in basic solution is. So what is the right answer for 105? So first option is the right answer. Yellow is the correct answer. So first option. The color of methyl orange indicator in basic solution is yellow. So first option. So 105 finished. Now let's go to the 106 question. What is that? Number of bond pairs and lone pairs in the valence shell of nitrogen in NH3. So what is the right answer for 106th question? So 106th question, the right answer is third option. 3, 1, 3 and 1. So third option is the right answer for 106th question. So now let's go to the 107. Double bond present in Dibandham Kaladi. Dibandham Kaladi. 107th question. So right answer is O2. So fourth option is the right answer for 107th question. Okay. Now let's go to the 108. So not yet. Okay, answer. Okay, we can go directly with the answer. 198th question. What is the right answer? 2 is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the right answer. Means second option is the right answer. 198th question. Let's go to the 109. Okay, students, please follow the key carefully, everyone. Now we are in section C, chemistry. So it is the last section. So 109. The process of dissolving acid or base in water is. What is the meaning of that? The process of dissolving acid or base in water is. What is the right answer for 109th question? So first option is the right answer, exothermic process. The process of dissolving acid or base in water is, what is that process we called? So first option, exothermic process is the right answer. Okay, 101, 109 question, answer is first option. Now let's go to the 110. Galena is an ore of dash. So 110th question, what is the right answer? Second option, PB. Second option is the right answer for 110th question. Okay, now 111th. So what is the right answer for 111th question? The final compound formed when methane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight is. So what is the right answer for 111th question? So first option is the right answer, CH3Cl. Okay, now let's go to the 112. What is the question? The reaction of an acid with a base to give a salt and water is known as. So 112th question, students, 112th question, right answer is neutralization. Third option, neutralization is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Tatastikaranam, Telugulo Tatastikaranam. Okay, now 130. Let's go to the 130th question. In smelting the ore is, what is the right answer? 113th right answer is third option, reduced is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Okay, third option, reduced is the right answer. Okay, now 114th. The metal that occurs in the free form, native is, bracket, native is, what is the right answer for 114th question? So second option is the right answer. Okay students, almost we are going to end. So we are near to end. Almost we are in the closing session. So now let's go to the 115th question. Which one of the following is used for disinfecting drinking water? So 115th question. తాగే నీటిలోని క్రిములను సంహరించడానికి క్రిమి సంహారిణిగా ఉపయోగించేది ఏది? So 150th question ki right answer is, it is very easy, I think so, bleaching powder. Right answer is bleaching powder. Right option is, second option is the right answer. Okay, now 116th. Which one of the following atom is smaller in size? 116th question, answer is, first option is the right answer, F. Okay, now let's go to the 117th question. What is that? Ionization energy along a period from left to right generally. Ionization energy along with a period from left to right. What is the right answer, students? 117th question. Right answer is increases. First option is the right answer. Telugulo perugunu. So now let's go to the 118th question. Law of octaves was proposed by. What is the right answer for the 118th question? So 118th question, right answer is fourth option, Newlands. So fourth option is the right answer for 118th question. So now let's go to the 119th. Element with atomic number 17 belongs to. Element with atomic number 17 belongs to. What is the right answer, friends? 119th question. So what is the right answer? So third option is the right answer. 6th A group, third period. 6th A group, third period is the right answer. Third option is the right answer for 119th question. Now the last and final question of Polyset set C section. Okay. So now the 120th question. Number of elements present in 6th period of modern periodic table. The number of elements present in 6th period of modern periodic table. What is the right answer, friends? So right answer is 32 is the right answer. First option is the right answer. Okay. So I hope everyone would get the good marks and everyone hoping good results. Okay. So this is a key prepared by our staff and faculties. So we have been finished successfully. Okay. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.